Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Over here, download your new default app, in my case it will be Opera Mini Browser, and click Home button. You don't have to open it. After that, you can go into device settings and scroll down. Then click on Apps section over here and tap on Choose Default Apps. Following that, you need to tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app and tap on the chosen one, in my case Opera. So now when I click on the back button, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!